I'm 20. I'm older and wiser. I can do intros all by myself. We are here at Wolf Rock Dive Center ready to go for a dive. Let's jump in.
Do you want to add a bit more energy to that?
While you guys are getting ready, I'm going to be jumping into the water, swimming over to the site with a line, diving down quickly and securing a line to the site itself. Normally takes 2 to 3 minutes when the current's running.
Welcome to the legendary Wolf Rock. Now this dive site is situated off Rainbow Beach in Queensland, and we were so excited to finally get here to dive. We'd heard so much from the crew and our colleagues and friends at Sunreef. Now some of the staff actually used to work here and told us this dive site is amazing and you might get some big currents, but it's worth it because when the currents are flowing, the sharks are about in bigger numbers and you have amazing experiences. Now, surprisingly for us, as you can see, the water is very green when we're there. And we are just looking around this dive site and we're seeing eagle rays sitting on top, and we have very curious nurse sharks, or grey nurse sharks shall I say, also known as raggedy tooths. In North America, they're known as sand tiger sharks. But wow, this was epic. They were everywhere, and apparently this was a bad day. Today, when we were diving it, we were told normally you can get between 30, sometimes even 50 grey nurse sharks. We maybe had about 15, which is still insane. And you look at the top of the rocks and you have spotted eagle rays. But not any size spotted eagle rays, these ones were huge. Like, look at the size of them, his head was an absolute monster. Now, you just have to just look around this dive site. Before you know it, there's a shark underneath you. As Holly is just looking around at the other sharks, not realising there's one right underneath her right now. As you see, she's almost dropping down. And then she looks over and goes, ah, there's a shark there. And then she's too busy to look ahead and there's a shark swimming straight at you. There is sharks everywhere on this dive. It is insane. And Holly, like a little kid, is like, yay, clapping. This was awesome. Now, through the channel, we found that the sharks would come through this passage quite a lot, and you have to give them their way. Because at the end of the day, when they want to come through, they are coming through. As you can see with our guy, he's like getting pushed out the way because the shark's like, nope, I want to go back through, get in my way. Now, as we did say, the currents do flow here. So we're tucked down in the shark gutter at the moment, around about 30-32 metres, tucked away from the current between the two pinnacles of Wolf Rock. Now when you do shallow further up, you have a look around, you can see wobbegongs. But a lot of the divers, and especially in the briefing, they do say to help you get around the dive site, to actually hold onto the rock and pull yourself around. No reef hooks are allowed, but the current can be flowing. And you'll see that later in the video, when we're doing a safe stop. Always flying like a flag. But honestly, if you do get the chance, it is definitely worth the drive up. I mean, look at this image here. We have a bull ray. Just above him, another bull ray. Above that, an eagle ray. Above that, another eagle ray, and another one, and a Scuba trevally. And then down below, a shark. Honestly, there's no words to describe when you're on this dive. Sharks everywhere, bull rays everywhere, eagle rays everywhere, and big Scuba trevally. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this dive. This is spectacular. Enjoy it. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the videos and comments, and tell us about your best shark dive as well. Until next time, guys, stay safe and dive loads.